Goddess used to carry all such people. It's a very sad feeling that God has created human beings from amoeba to this stage. And how can we hate them? And this is what has happened. Now, of course, Surge is different. That Surges know how to enjoy the love. They like it. They enjoy it. You can see that. And if somehow you people could manage to remove this hatred, somehow, with your own willpower, denying and defying all that is being told to human beings, I am sure it's a very difficult world where those people who came on this earth went through all kinds of education, wanted to improve the conditions, the relationships, friendships, have fallen into the depth of hatred. My heart just weeps. At what time I have come on this earth, where I have to see human beings hating each other. They talk of love and hate. It's a very serious thing that you who are the children, they'll end up like this. I mean, I have experiences, if I tell you, you'll be shocked. How people have fallen down to the depth of evil nature. It's a understanding. We have to have understanding about ourselves. Do we hate somebody? Do we get ideas that we should do you have such things in you? Just find out. Do you hate other people? The ideas are rotten, absolutely, for a human mind. The ideas which are completely like the animal's instinct are absolutely no good for human beings at all. But that's what is happening and is coming forward. If you are poor, all right, by hating, you don't become rich. No? If you are in any difficulties, then your duty is to remove those difficulties, but not to prosper on them. All this has to, it's very surprising that we are not bothered at all as to what we are doing. Yeah. You have to have proper sense of understanding. Where are we going? If you have misunderstanding about somebody, better take it out completely. They try to trouble you, all right, but don't have bad understanding about that person. Very surprising that we never see those things, how ugly they are, and how funny they are, how they ruin our personality. You may be able to correct some people. All our activities as Sahajogis, I never realized were so important. We have to give so much time. Not to bother about nonsensical, frivolous things, but something serious that is within us or without, that must be taken out. If I ask you, how many people you hate, you may hate just 20 people. And see, the thing, whole atmosphere and all this fills me with such remorse that I just don't know what are we going to do, the Sahajogis. What are their plans? Will you please look into yourself and think what constructive work we are doing and what destructive work we have been doing. You need a big shock to understand this. I like the way we have programs and pujas and all that. But if you ask my inner being, I know it is very, very unhappy, very. sick. At this time, what you have to do as Sahaja-yogis? As Sahaja-yogis, minimum of minimum, you should put full attention. And then you have to take up a... See, the trouble with Sahaja Yoga is that you all start enjoying yourself. And then you don't see around what is happening. Now, I must tell you, I am now in the midst of war between myth is it a area, is it a, I don't know what should I say, is it within us there is still lurking some kind of a weakness that we do not try to fight our weaknesses. I would now request you all to meditate on yourself and see for yourself what is wrong. It's a big shock. And to reduce this shock, what can Sahaja-yogis do? What can they work it to blast this horrible ways of human life?